قالوا لنبي له مبعث لنا ملكا نقاتل في سبيل الله قال هل عسيتم إن كتب عليكم القتال ألا تقاتلوا قالوا وما لنا ألا نقاتل في سبيل الله وقد أخرجنا من ديارنا وأبنائنا فلما كتب عليهم القتال تولوا إلا قليلا منهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
O Messenger, have you thought of what happened with the elders of the children of Israel after Moses? They asked one of their prophets, "Set up for us a king so that we may fight in the way of Allah." He said, "Would you possibly refrain from fighting if fighting is ordained for you?" They said, "And why would we not fight in the way of Allah when we've been torn from our homes and our children?" But when fighting was ordained for them, they turned back except a few of them. Allah is well aware of the wrongdoers.
وقال لهم نبيهم إن الله قد بعث لكم طالوت ملكا قالوا أنى يكون له الملك علينا ونحن أحق بالملك منه ولم يؤت سعة من المال قال إن الله اصطفاه عليكم وزاده بسطة في العلم والجسم والله يؤتي ملكه من يشاء والله واسع عليم.
And their prophet said to them, "Indeed, Allah has sent forth Saul, Talut, as your king." They said, "By what right shall he rule over us when we are more worthy than he to dominion, for he is not very wealthy?" He said, "Allah has chosen him over you and has endowed him abundantly with both intellectual and physical capacities. Allah indeed has the power to bestow dominion upon whomsoever He wills. Allah is all resourceful, all-knowing."
وقال لهم نبيهم إن آية ملكه أن يأتيكم التابوت فيه سكينة من ربكم وبقية مما ترك آل موسى وآل هارون تحمله الملائكة إن في ذلك لآية لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And their prophet said to them, "The sign of his dominion is that in his reign the ark, wherein is inner peace for you, will be brought back to you, and the sacred relics left behind by the house of Moses and the house of Aaron, borne by angels. Truly, and that is a sign for you, if indeed you are people of faith."
فلما فصل طالوت بالجنود قال إن الله مبتليكم بنهر فمن شرب منه فليس مني ومن لم يطعمه فإنه مني إلا من اغترف غرفة بيده فشربوا منه إلا قليلا منهم فلما جاوزه هو والذين آمنوا معه قالوا لا طاقة لنا اليوم بجالوت وجنوده قال الذين يظنون أنهم ملاقو الله كم من فئة قليلة غلبت فئة كثيرة بإذن الله والله مع الصابرين.
When Saul, Talut, set out with his forces, he said, Allah will try you with a river, and whoever drinks of it does not belong to me. He who refrains from tasting it, unless it be just a palmful, he indeed belongs to me. Then all except a few of them drank their fill at the river. But as soon as Saul, Talut, and the believers with him went forth across the river, they said, Today we have no strength to face Goliath, Jalut, and his forces. But those who believed that they were bound to meet their Lord said, How often has a small party prevailed against a large party by the leave of Allah? Allah is with those who remain steadfast.
ولما برزوا لجالوت وجنوده قالوا ربنا أفرغ علينا صبرا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
And when they went forth against Goliath, Jalut, and his forces, they prayed, Our Lord, shower us with patience and set our feet firm, and grant us victory over this unbelieving people.